Hello there and welcome to my channel. Now this is actually my second channel, and here you will find all of my live stream content. My main channel, Mads Tech Tips and Tutorials, is where I upload my pre-recorded content, and that is where the bulk of what I do is. Here, once a week, I go live on a Sunday evening, 10 PM UK, and I talk about things such as drones, cameras, electronics, and anything I think is interesting that I'd like to share with you over the past week. Also on this channel, you will find many of my random live streams where I am doing things like electronic repair, PC building, and things like that. If you're interested in checking out my main channel, there will be links to it in the description of many of the videos on this one. It looks like this if you want to go check it out, and there you will find where most of my content lies. Here you will though find the live streams. If you find any of these two channels interesting, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and hit the little bell as well, and you'll get updates both when I go live and when I put any new content out in the future as well. Anyway, please do take a look around, please check it out, please check out both channels, and I hope what you find is interesting.